do you know how crayons are made? Let's find out.
How is it made?
A wax crayon.
To find out how crayons are made, we need to come here to a crayon factory. Wax crayons start out like this as an ingredient called paraffin. Paraffin is an oil that's found deep under the ground, but to make wax crayons, paraffin oil is turned into this: paraffin wax pellets. Paraffin is used to make all sorts of things.
Like plastic toys, candles you blow out on a birthday cake, and of course, wax crayons.
What colour crayon shall we make today? We could make blue, green, how about yellow, or red? Let's make some red crayons.
The first stage is for the paraffin wax pellets to be poured into this huge tank.
Inside, the paraffin wax pellets are heated until they turn runny, and when it's ready, it's emptied into a bucket and taken to a mixing area.
But how does it turn from a clear liquid into a coloured wax crayon?